paalam at pasasalamat. Remembering with love and gratitude. Hi guys, welcome back to Real Talk PH. It's me again, Karel, and we're on our third episode. This episode is something close to our hearts. Kasi ngayong araw ng mga kaluluwa, or All Souls Day, hindi lang tayo basta nag-aalay ng kandila o bulaklak. It's also about remembering and feeling. Alam mo yung amoy ng kandila sa sementeryo? Yung mga kwentuhan ng pamilya habang naglilinis ng puntod? Yung halakakan kahit sa gitna ng lungkot? That's uniquely Filipino. We turn grief into reunion. We mix tears with laughter. Kasi para sa atin, love doesn't stop even after goodbye. Pero kung tatanungin kita ngayon, when was the last time you said thank you to someone who's no longer here? Baka matagal na, no? Kasi kadalasan, ang naiisip natin tuwing undas ay lungkot, hindi pasasalamat. Pero what if this year, we shifted a little? Instead of mourning with pain, we remember with gratitude. Kasi real talk, ang bawat taong dumaan sa buhay natin, may iniwan. Maybe it's a lesson, a value, or even just a small habit. Like how my lola always reminded me to pray before sleeping. Or how my dad always said, "Huwag kang matakot magkamali, basta matuto ka." Simple words, pero habang tumatanda ako, doon ko nare-realize. Yun pala yung mga ginto na iiwan nila sa atin. Minsan kasi, sa sobrang bilis ng buhay, nakakaligtaan nating pahalagahan yung mga simpleng alaala. Kaya ngayon, I want you to pause for a moment. Take a deep breath. Think of that one person you miss the most. Ano yung gusto mong sabihin sa kanya kung may chance ka ulit? Maybe it's sorry. Maybe it's I miss you. Or maybe it's simply thank you. Say it in your heart. Because sometimes our souls speak louder than our voices. And if you're listening right now na feeling mong mag-isa ka, or may pinagdadaanan kang bigat kasi may nawala sa'yo, gusto kong sabihin, hindi ka nag-iisa. We all carry memories that still ache. Pero tandaan mo rin, the pain you feel is proof of how deeply you loved. And that love doesn't fade. It just changes form. Minsan, hindi mo na sila makikita, pero mararamdaman mo pa rin. Sa simoy ng hangin, sa paboritong kanta, sa mga kwentong naiwan nila. They live on in you. Kaya ngayong undas, huwag lang puro iyak o pangungulila. Let's celebrate the life they lived. Let's keep their memories alive by doing good, by spreading the same love they gave us. Because that's what they'd want, na maging masaya ka ulit, na magpatuloy ka, na magmahal ka ulit. And maybe, the best paalam is not about forgetting, but about thanking them for being part of your story. Paalam, pero salamat. Salamat sa turo, salamat sa pagmamahal, salamat sa alaala. Because real talk, love never dies. It just transforms into memory. So kung nakikinig ka ngayon, I invite you to light a candle, not just for remembrance, but for gratitude. And when you do, whisper these words. Thank you for everything. I'll keep living for you. This is Real Talk PH, and I'm Karel. Thank you for joining me in this quiet but meaningful reflection. Remember, it's okay to cry, it's okay to miss them, and it's always okay to be human. Until next time, Keep your heart open and your memories alive.